Hi guys, in this video I will be talking about how you can add new fonts to your Google Slides. So first of all, let me show you how you can change the font. So if I select the text, I can select here. So one of the ways is some of the fonts you can see, for example, here there is one option. Alternatively, for example, for others, you can select here, medium, semi-bold, bold. Now, additionally, Google Slides has many fonts installed. One of the easiest ways to browse through the fonts is to go to another website called fonts.google.com, and here you can scroll down and you can see how many fonts there are, and there is a huge selection you can choose from. So for example, let's find a font. So for example here, Anton. So in order to select the font, you would need to select and press here again and press more fonts. You can also browse through them by scrolling down here, and you can also press and write here, for example, Anton. Select that and this will be here in my fonts and press OK. And now if I go, you will be able to see Anton font as well. So this is the second way how you can select more fonts than you regularly see. Now the third way is you would install an extension. So you would go here to extensions, add-ons, and get add-ons. Now press here and type font. This will open up a Extensis font, and let's install. And here you can see Extensis font has been installed. Where to find Extensis fonts? So in the add-on section, and you can see additional setup. Let's see what this is. So let's close all of that and then press Extensis font start. This will open the right hand side tab, which will take some time to load, and you can see all of the fonts. So they are sorted alphabetically, but you can also see and select different sortings and which type of fonts you want. So you can scroll down, and this has, I think, more than 1,400 different fonts as well. So let's decrease the size. And you can see, let's say, for example, I will take this font, and you can see the font has changed. And then last option, if you do not find anything in here and in the Google Fonts, you can also go to fontmeme.com or fontsquare.com. And here you can see and find different fonts as well. So for example, let's go to logo fonts, and some of these fonts are paid, some of them are free to use. And what you would need to, for example, here are more fonts. You would need to find some free fonts because these are paid. So let's, for example, say that we want this font, and here you would type, here I have already typed testing, but basically type, select the font size and press generate. Now right click, copy image, and go back to your Google slide and paste. You can also resize like this. However, the drawback of this is that this is an image. This means that you can only resize it as an image, and also you cannot change the text. You will need to generate a new image in the two websites I have shown you. However, you will be able to find more fonts in comparison to using the extensions or using the Google Slide fonts. So I hope that this quick tutorial has been helpful. Please remember to smash the like button for algorithm, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and see you guys in the next video.